Hey, what's up, universe? It's me, MG Flores, and I'm here again for another travel vlog. Hey, what's up, Super View? So I'm here at Hagnaya Beach Resort. So as you can see, that is the logo of Hagnaya Beach Resort. And yes, come with me and tour with me as we go around Hagnaya Beach Resort. So Hagnaya Beach Resort is located at San Remigio, northern part of Cebu. But before that, let me introduce to you to my brother right there. Hey, what's up, brother? What's up, brother? Hey, hey, hey. Yes. So let's go tour Hagnaya Beach Resort.
Mga kababayan, ito ang alay ng mga kababaihang Pilipino at sabay-sabay nating awitin ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Then Flores Mary Grace, BARILI God Campus Director, and then Ines Jolian, CTU Mountain Campus
Satellite Campus. Yes.
Okay, CCC God Campus Director. Including emergency workers,
Thank you, kuya. Tara na. Wow! Thank you so much for the lights. Yes. Pwede ba yung makabilyard?
Pwede na.
Char, gidaw.
Kung pwede, suko magaling hindi pa mo din.
Sige daw.
Bola.
I-avail yun. I-avail na mo yung services.
Ano lang ka dito kay maglingkod ra ba?
Wala ikuan ay, wala bartender ay mo. Inom mo ko nag-plain si ma'am. Testing na mo ya, testing. Abot buot. Yeah.
Pero bagay ka na
Diba, puti?
I-shot nila lahat, wag lang yung puti. One. Wow, very good. Wow, very good. Maglisod mo po. Sige.
Morning, sir. Morning, ma'am.
1, 2, 3.
Coffee.
Labi na katong nati activity nga kita jutanan.
Good morning, Hagnaya. Good morning, Hagnaya. Oh, another day at Hagnaya Beach Resort. It's day 2. Day 2. Again, not a makeup guru.
Pesa.
Happy eating, ma. It's okay sa vlog. Dili gini siya amuang. Pero nasa sa mong table, pero mong kanon. Charot, pero feel bitaw na mo na wrong send na siya.
Ha? Sayang kaayo ang isda. Dili na mo kaon yun.
Muna siya, basta dili iya, yung gikaon.
Mahala ba mayroon mo?
Hey guys, so our day 2 session is done and I'm here with Mom Inso. Ay, no, Doctor. Doctor Inso. So she's my roommate, guys. Madam is my roommate and balik namin sa mong room. Kaya mag-ilis mi. Diba? Kaya maligo mi. Maligo ka.
Ambot lang ani. Pagin mo pa ko lagi sa ko recap.
Oo, di ay. Okay, nade siya.
Sorry, pa.
Nade siya task para tomorrow. Mag-ilis mi and then ambot sa'yo pa man, it's still 4 p.m. 4 p.m. pa man siguro. Oh, 4:30. So, daghan pa may mabuhat. We got a lot of things to do today. Yeah. Okay. Last day na naman tomorrow. So, I'm gonna enjoy ang stay. Diba? Okay, so see you later, guys. Welcome to my mansion. Charot. Mura siya skrilahan. Guys, what you are seeing right now is the house of the owner. A very luxurious house. My God, let's take a silip-silip. Charot. Masig ko anta. Maulahay, kada ko sa irola. Bro. Uy, ayaw pagpaghot. Hi there. Hello, nitanaw rami. Nisilip rami sa balay. No harm, oy. No harm. Grabe sa ka, oy. Bye. Love, love. Love, love. Oh, bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Di na mi. Okay na mi. Okay na, kita namin sa balay. And I'm with Ma'am Julian. Godinez. Ma'am Julian Godinez. Say hi to the vlog.
Welcome to our paradise.
Ah, wow, manglawag na kuno siya siyang isda. Oh yeah, we are currently having our seminar pero nasayo may nahuman guys. So.
Nakami ka na ang tawa. Chillax.
Wow. Wala itaw danhi kay mamalit tag kuan. Ay mamalit. Mo itsa taglaw-glaw bo. Guys, before the sun sets, I will show you their next project. The next project of Hagnaya Beach Resort is their pool. So wala pa ni siya nahuman. Kanang mo na niyang ilang new pool, and according to Kuya last night, mo daw ni siya ang one of the best pools in northern Cebu. I repeat, this is gonna be one of the best pools in northern Cebu. Cebu rocks! Woo! Jacuzzi siguro na siya, or I don't know.
Murag kay na cottage.
Oh, so jacuzzi 1, jacuzzi 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1,000 jacuzzis. Ito siya guys. And then hopefully makabalik na diri nga nahuman na ni siya. Okay. Maghilas-hilas ta sadta. Tara ma'am, ato ta sa video kihan. Mag-video kira ba kuruta karong gabi eh. So nakatinuod. Hagnaya Beach Resort has their karaoke rooms and it's 250 per hour. Wow. Hi kuya, what's your name gani kuya? Oh sir.
Romeo.
Sir Romeo. Romeo. I'm your Juliet. Okay guys, so this is their video key room. Tama ba kaya? Oh sir. And this costs 250 per hour, and of course, naa siya lain nga. Oh, lain nga. Naa siya own comfort room. Hi guys. Yeah.
Dinner is ready daw.
Sana tawag ting panihapon. So guys, tsada ang ilahang karaoke room. Lovely. Thank you kuya. Oh sir. Sir lagi, sir. Dinner is served once again, so let's eat. Hi, sir. Update. I am all alone in this room because iniwan ako ni Mami So. Nag-iisa na lang ako dito. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome candidate 592. Magandang dilag, puso ko'y dumalzilza. Woo! Magandang dilag, woo! Puso ko'y nabibihag. Mura kag manok, kinabihag. Walay. Of course, amo ba na yung absena ng pool? So the area is all ours. Woot, woot, woot. Kuya, pwede mag-slide? Pwede mag-slide, guys! Mag-slide ta, guys. Slide with me. Char! Kuya, laom sa to nga. Forfeitanan? Pull, slide, and me. Let's go. Woo. Slide, pull, pull, slide. Pull me, slide me. Let's go. Ma, maligo na ta. Let's go, slidey, slidey. Whee! So I'm here on top of the slide. Wow, this is a good view, huh? Hi, wow! Alright, let's go. Let's do this. Oh my! Okay. Okay. Wait. Let's go. Actually, I'm afraid, but let's do this. Oh my god! Matuwag ko! What is this? Oh, there you go. Somebody just left it here for us. Charot, somebody delivered it out. It's time for us to chill. Chillin'. Bawal day? Bawal day? Exit! Exit! Sprite naman ni Kuya. Kaya ka, ma'am? Session. Cheers. Wow. Really, picture ito. Come.
Dahil matagina na, so, parang natugaan, nakatulog ang framework, so, umakasan na nargila itong tambungan, di ba? Ano itong shit ko? Ako itong shit. Sige, mga unan lang. Salamat.
Guys, so this is our last meal here at Hagnaya. Lunchtime with mom and soup. And I had a good stay here in Hagnaya Beach Resort together with my mates. And yeah, if you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. See you next time for my next vlogs.